tech channel. So this is another video how to perform a PITR using Restore Point. So we already covered about how to perform a PITR with using a target timeline and a delta restoration, and also this video we are going to see that another option. So first of all, what is a restore point in PITR? So in the point in time recovery with the name restore point in a pg-backRest achieved using pg underscore create restore underscore point function in PostgreSQL to define the maker of followed by pg-backRest restoration command with hyphen hyphen equal to name, so which helps to perform a restoration. So what is a creating a restore point? So a named restore point must be created within the PostgreSQL using the, as I mentioned, the built-in function called pg underscore create underscore restore point function. So which generates a marker with wall stream. This function takes a name as a parameter and returns the corresponding LSN. So how it will help us? So once we use the pg restore point is created, initiate the recovery using a pg-backRest with the type name option. The cluster must be stopped before executing the restore command. So like uh, we are performing with the target timeline, right? So the similar way, instead of using the time, we are going to use the name. So first of all, for this demo I am going to create a table name called is equals, let me verify the status. Okay, pgctl start. So for this I'm going to create a database name called demo, connect demo, create table test id equal to int. So I'm going to insert some value, insert into rp underscore test values of so let's verify the count of star rp underscore test. So we already have the 5 values, right? Now here is the thing, we are going to create a restoration point, as I mentioned, using the built-in function called restore underscore point of, we can say, demo PITR. So this is that. So this function, what it will do, it will capture that particular wall position. Okay, now let's drop that particular table rp underscore test. So we have dropped the tables. So let's make sure that, so we don't have any table objects on this demo database. Okay, let's stop the cluster pgctl stop. So it was shut down. So we already know pg, let me use bin backrest. So this is my existing backup and this stanza is my stanza name, and this is the info. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same thing. Okay, so we already covered about delta, right? So this is my demo name. I'm going to use delta. So the type equal to name. So this is what only one thing we are going to change with the restore point. So when you are using a restore point, right, so you have to use this type equal to name, and the target equal to, so in the previous demo we have covered about the timing, exact time, right? So now we are going to provide the name, the restoration point. Okay, so I'm going to execute target action equal to, so at the end the log level info is required, so we are going to mention it as restore. So here it was saying the restoration has been completed successfully. Let's verify the postgres.auto.conf. So here it automatically use the recovery target underscore name equal to demo PITR, and that archive has been pushed, and whatever the intent on the auto.conf file. Okay, so which is done. So let's start the database. pgctl start, connect the database, connect the demo database, verify the table, and let's verify the count of rp underscore test. So we know that we have inserted 5 value before dropping this one, and right now the same value has been appear over here. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more details you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.